What is? Oh, the motor.
Yeah, I don't know it's an 04.
Oh, 04. Cool.
You want me to?
Let me just feel it. Okay. You seen it start?
Yeah.
You seen the brakes work? The back and the front?
Yeah. Look.
What about the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like grab it.
Oh yeah, that compression's good, man.
I mean, we can start it.
No, I can feel it.
I did start it.
You did?
Yeah, it was a big one. It's not too.
He's telling me stories. Look at Rafa, hey. Watch out behind you. Snake.
Hey, no, it's scary.
You hungry?
Huh?
You hungry for that one? Toad legs.
What's the thing else?
It's okay, bro. You don't have to start it. I can tell it. It looks good. This is a
Okay,
little caca, but
anyways.
it's not good for it.
It's not good.
He wants to blow up my shit, you guys. You just blew my motor up. Oh, now it needs rings, Rafa. Ooh, I like me a blaster, bro. That's my favorite kind of four-wheeler right there. Usually to remove this old blaster carb, you'd have a Phillips there, and a Phillips there. But some jamoke put that on there. So I'm gonna pull this carb. All right, what's the time? Carb's cleaned.
5:20.
5 minutes, 20 seconds. That's it. You gotta do that, make sure it's working. You don't wanna get it all the way over here and figure out it's bullshitting. This just holds your throttle cap on. It's a part of the whole loser prevention system that Yamaha tries putting on stuff. You don't want to cross-thread it like that. That'll keep it from the cap coming off there. If the cap comes off there, you're gonna have a bad time. Because it's gonna run off and leave you. Daggone throttle's gonna be wide open, boy. Yamaha's got this system on here that'll shut it down for motherfuckers who don't know how to ride. They get in too deep. They've been riding Honda. They get a Yamaha, it starts ripping ass. Next thing you know, it's too much for them, and you need to override the throttle for a Honda rider accidentally gets on a Yamaha two-stroke. Damn, they done blocked her off the right way. That's a fancy previous owner. That's thoughtful. That's thoughtful. Yamaha owners, they tend to take better care of their shit. That's just it. Honda guys, they think, oh, it's gonna run forever, and then it breaks. Don't get me started on Honda guys. It felt like it had a lot of compressions. It could have a bad air leak. You need to stop being. Fuck. Flat as shit. Huh?
Grease, possibly.
Maybe, I mean.
You're lucky.
Well,
Let's cut up a couple. When I let them do that, they just fall on their face. But that was with band shoes.
this is just filling. It's
I'm saying like dead, but that's only losing one cylinder.
damn it. I'll do the seat tomorrow, y'all. Well, guys, bought this blaster yesterday and cleaned the carburetor, got it running, and it's running like total shit. So I'm gonna do a parking brake delete on it and a torch delete on it, and if that don't do it, then I don't know. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. I'm gonna bring that thing in here, try and figure out what's going on. Y'all see the video, it's running like shit. So it won't hit the power band. It's pretty much a wide open throttle issue as far as I can tell, so try and get it straightened out. Got her figured out, boys. Deleted the tours. She don't like the airbox slit. Okay. Top speed run on this blaster, guys. I'm out of gas, boys. I can see it. No, you didn't. Bitch, just run out of gas on me. Running smooth out of gas, guys. 100% out of gas. Seen some go in the bowl. You dirty bitch. Going to get the gas can. Shit. A lot of people might ask, you see me running out of gas, this is what I use for my Yamahas. Yamalube, baby. And if you can't remember that, just think, yeah, my lube. Makes it pretty easy. And then Yamaha ain't got no damn excuses when you blow it up. You say, yeah, I was running some bitch on Yamalube. I can't just hold her wide open 24/7. I mean, what the hell? It's a little later in the day, but I'm back, boys. Got some 32 to 1 for her. Ride them kids, adults, whatever. And they're great to learn on. If you got like a 10-year-old kid, just skip over the little automatic whatever and go ahead and get them a Blaster. And they'll love you for it. Yeah, that's how a boss starts to back up. You see that? You see the timing? That's more like it. That was a better one. That was better. Parallel parking, boys. That's how you do that. What's up, guys? Be sure and like and subscribe. Like I said, Yamaha Blaster is one of my favorite four-wheelers. They're good for anybody to ride. Wife, kids, I mean, anyone 9 years old and up. Very first four-wheeler. That's a good one. You know, the older style, you can pick up between $200 and $1,000. Put a little money in them, they're ready to go. These ones, the newer style, 03 to 06, you have to pay a little more for it, but they're so much better than any knockoff four-wheeler you're going to buy used. So be sure and like and subscribe. The thing only topped out at 46 miles an hour, but these are 19-inch tires. No, 18-inch tires. And the stocks are 22. So they really geared it down a lot. But other than that, they run about 55 miles an hour usually. If you put smaller tires on them, they're going to be torqueier, but they're going to top out a lot less. So thanks for watching. If y'all get a chance to get you a Yamaha Blaster, I recommend doing it. Do it. Even if it's in pieces, do it. They're good bikes.